Hello, Brian McCarthy here from Bold&Break. I just want to make a few channel announcements. Very excited. Myself and Joe Clay from Workbench TV are going to be having a chat soon. I will be scheduling that, aiming to have that live in a premiere by next week, late next week. The actual date will be shared on my YouTube posts and also across my social media channels. You can interact via the live chat with myself while it is being premiered, and you can ask questions as the discussion rolls on. So another thing I want to announce is that there is a Bold&Break store that launched about a month and a half, 2 months ago. On the store you will find working files, a subscription tier and some apparel. The working files are After Effects and Cinema 4D. There will be a texture pack coming up for Redshift sometime this year. That's the aim, hopefully, fingers crossed. There is also a subscription model which would really help out the channel. It starts at just £1. And then with the other tiers, there is more to offer, like mentorship and one-to-ones with me. There is only a limited amount of the top tier subscription. This is because my time is pretty limited. I can only give the one-to-one mentorship to a certain amount of people. But have a look, let me know what you think. It would be great to get feedback on the store. Any purchases or subscriptions on the store really help out the channel and encourage me to keep putting out more content here, because ideally I want to be doing more of this. This is great. As well as that, I'm hoping to slowly pivot the channel away from just technical tutorials. Don't worry, it's not happening anytime soon. It will likely begin to happen sometime next year. There is still a bunch of Redshift stuff to explore. As we kind of explore every nook and cranny of Redshift, I want to maybe pivot away from that style of just here's how you do this, push this button for that. And it will be more kind of a creative process. Here's how I made this. We will still do tutorials. There will still be technical tutorials and showing you and breaking stuff down in a very technical manner. But as this channel evolves and progresses and matures, there will be less of that. So that's kind of it. That's a short channel announcement of where I plan to bring the channel. There will be more discussions that premiere on the channel with other motion designers. My aim is to do that also. Let me know what you think. You know, feedback is important on this channel. You know, what would you like to see? Is there anyone you'd like me to try and reach out to? Please remember, I'm a small channel. I don't have a lot of leverage when it comes to getting people on and discussing. But is there anyone you'd like me to reach out to and have a chat with? Is there any particular type of content you'd like to see more of? Let me know in the comments below. Please like, subscribe, all those good things. Check out the store. Stay safe. Thank you for watching and goodbye.